Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. If you're diving into the world of crypto in 2025, you know how important it is to keep your assets secure. Today, we're tackling a straightforward tutorial: how to transfer your crypto from Crypto.com to your Tangem wallet. This process is simple, but always remember, we're dealing with digital money, so double-check everything to avoid any mishaps. Let's jump right in. First things first, make sure you have the Crypto.com app installed on your phone and your Tangem wallet set up and ready to go. Tangem wallets are hardware-based, so they'll provide an extra layer of security for your coins. Once you're logged into Crypto.com, head over to your portfolio and select the cryptocurrency you want to transfer. For example, let's say you're moving some Bitcoin or Ethereum. Next, open your Tangem wallet app or connect your physical wallet if it's a hardware device. You'll need to generate a receive address. That's the unique code where your crypto will land. Copy this address carefully. It's case sensitive and super important. Now, back in Crypto.com, go to the Withdraw or Send section for the crypto you've selected. Paste the Tangem wallet address into the recipient field. Don't forget to double-check the address to prevent any errors. One wrong character could send your funds into the void. Before you hit confirm, you'll see a transaction fee estimate. In 2025, network fees might vary based on blockchain congestion, so choose a speed that fits your needs. Once you're happy, enter any required authentication, like a two-factor code, and approve the transaction. Sit tight while it processes. Depending on the network, this could take a few minutes to an hour. Once it's done, verify the transfer in your Tangem wallet. You should see your crypto balance update. Congrats, you've just moved your assets to a more secure spot. Remember, always keep your private keys safe and never share them. If you run into any issues, check the official support pages for Crypto.com and Tangem. Thanks for watching. If this helped you out, hit that like button, subscribe for more crypto tips, and drop a comment below if you have questions. Stay safe out there in the crypto world. See you in the next video.